Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Today we are going to see punctuation. Date is 15/4/2020. Punctuation. In previous semester also we studied punctuation marks. Now this semester also we are going to study punctuation marks. So it is easy for in this semester. Punctuation marks are used to help the reader to make sense of the text. What it will give you, it will help you. Reader, who is the reader? We are the reader. Yes, we are reading the books and all, no? So we are the reader to make sense of the text, to make it sense. Why we are using comma, question mark, full stop, this and all, to make sense of the text. If it is not no full stop, question mark or anything, the text should be what? Senseless. Now we are going to see full stop and exclamation mark. Used to make the end of a sentence. Full stop, see, full stop is used to make the end of a sentence. When the sentence finish, we have to keep full stop. You know that, yes? Now example, the birds can fly. The birds can fly. See, this is a sentence, and after that you have to put full stop. Now exclamation mark. Exclamation mark used to show big emotion. Means you are shouting and or expressing very bigly, no? Or shouting, or your feelings should be big, like emotions, that we are using exclamation mark. See, we are telling stop, wait, like this, I love you, like this, a big emotion, we love you. So big emotion you are using, that time we are using what? Exclamation mark. So hope you all know what is full stop and exclamation mark. Full stop we are using in the end of the sentence, and exclamation to show the what? Big emotion. Now we are going to see comma. Comma is to separate 3 or more items in a list. So more than 3 or 4 items, 3 or more than items separate in a list. See, like if your test is lengthy, have more list, you have to use comma like this. See, I like to eat ice cream, chocolate, lollipop and candy. I see like this, I want to go to supermarket, and then beach, then park, like these items. You keep on telling more items, no? So there we have to keep what? We have to use comma. Question mark and speech mark. Used at the end of a direct question. Question mark we are using where? At the end of a direct question, like how are you, what are you doing. When you will go, what question you are asking directly, you can use that time question mark. See the example, what are you doing, question mark here. Now speech mark. Used to show spoken words, which we are saying to someone, that is spoken words. Used to show spoken words. See here, Laila said it is a wonderful day. So she is speaking something. So Laila said it is a wonderful day. So hope you understand what is question mark, speech mark, comma and full stop, exclamation mark. Yes. Now your homework is practice the worksheet. What you have to do, I will send the worksheet, you have to practice that. Okay, thank you.